camera?
It's on. It's recording.
All right. Get up there, Mama.
You're done. You are gonna hurt yourself, and you're not gonna be able to go to work.
Can get you?
No. Nope.
Wait, what?
No. You're not even tall enough to... Sit down, maybe. Sit down on your chair so Daddy can jump over you and be safe about it. Sit down. Like that.
Okay. Go, stand up. Stand up.
No.
So I can get on the table.
Yeah.
Go, stand up. Stand up.
You're gonna hurt her, Francisco, and if you do, I'm gonna be so mad at you. Oh my God.
See, look, get up, so I can jump over you. Here, go like that. Okay, wait, 1, 2. Wait, tell me when. Go up, stand up. Okay, stand up. Stand up, I'm gonna jump over your head. Stay like that, okay? 1, 3. Boom. Thank you. Take a bow, Mama. Go like this. Say thank you. Take a bow, go like this. Say you're welcome. Yeah. Ta-da! Again? Stay right there. 1, 2, 3. Ooh!
Straighty. 2, 3.
Oh, you want me to sit in the chair? And you jump over me? Here, look, I'll lay down. You jump over me. Go, jump over me.
Jump over Daddy.
Over me. Oh, you made it.
Ta-da!
Woo!
Say ta-da!
Go do it again. Yeah.
Ta-da!
Woo!
Wait, what you do?
Okay.
You gonna jump over Daddy again? Oh no.